Hey there! Welcome to your ultimate guide to intermittent fasting for beginners. If you're looking to shed some pounds fast, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is intermittent fasting? It's not a diet, but a pattern of eating. Instead of changing what you eat, you change when you eat. The most popular method is the 16/8 method. That's where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. So, why does intermittent fasting work? When you fast, your body starts burning stored fat for energy. It also lowers insulin levels, which helps with fat loss. Plus, it can reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Sounds pretty amazing, right? Now, how do you get started? Start by picking your 8-hour eating window. Common windows are 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. or 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Choose one that fits your lifestyle. During the fasting period, stick to water, coffee, or tea without sugar or cream. Keep it simple. Remember, it's normal to feel hungry at first. Your body needs time to adjust. Stay busy to keep your mind off food. Drink plenty of water and stick to your plan. Trust me, it gets easier with time. What should you eat during your eating window? Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. Think lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables. Avoid processed foods and sugary snacks. They can spike your insulin levels and make fasting harder. Exercise is a great addition to intermittent fasting. It can boost your weight loss and improve overall health. Try to fit in some strength training and cardio during your eating window, but listen to your body. If you're new to fasting, start slow and gradually increase your workout intensity. Consistency is key. Stick to your fasting schedule and don't get discouraged by minor setbacks. It's all part of the journey. Celebrate your progress no matter how small. Every step brings you closer to your goal. And there you have it. A simple, straightforward guide to getting started with intermittent fasting. Remember, everyone's body is different, so find what works best for you. Now it's your turn to take the first step towards a healthier, fitter you. Good luck! If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides on your weight loss journey. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.